Hey guys, welcome back to Corey's World. And today I'm in Twilight Daycare, and Twilight Daycare had an update. There's a fun house and a hospital and the puppets, fidget toys. So I'm gonna look at the new puppets. So yeah, let's go. All right. Wow, this is so pretty. These toys are so pretty. So is this daycare. These are fidget toys. Fidget toys. Oh, I didn't mean to get my soother. So this is a simple dimple. I gotta drop this simple dimple. Oh, I just gotta take my soother off. I took my soother off. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Wow. And now I am going to be a nurse. So yeah, I'm trying not to be carried. So I'm going to become a nurse. Okay, so I am a nurse and my name is Nurse K. So I'm guessing I should change it to Nurse Corey because people can call me Nurse K if they want, or babies. Nurse Corey. Alright, so this is a gurney, and these are the wheelchairs. This is a girl wheelchair and a boy wheelchair. So, yeah. And these are the checkup. This is a checkup room and a clinic room, and I think this is a care room for like babies, and this is baby medicine. So, yeah. I gotta get my clipboard. Sit down. Wait for other babies to come if they're hurt or sick. So, if babies don't come, I can carry them. So, I think that would be a good idea. I'm gonna type, is anyone sick or hurt? Oh, and I forgot about the fun house. I forgot to go to the fun house. I'll do the fun house after the nurse job. Is anyone sick or hurt? Anyone sick or hurt? I'm guessing these. Oh, she has a broken leg. Okay, Grady. Grady has a broken leg. So, oh, wait a minute. Okay. So, Grady has a broken leg. Let's put you right here. Let's put you right here. Alright. So we got her all checked up, and yeah. Oh, and I forgot about the squishy little thing. You're welcome. Have a good day. Have a good rest of your day. Have a good day. Alright. Sleep chair? What do you mean, sleep chair? What do you mean? What do you mean about sweep char? Is it shortened as Charlie D'Amelio? I think she's talking about Charlie D'Amelio. A wheelchair? Oh, a wheelchair, okay. Which one do you want? Girl or boy? Girl or boy? Do you want a girl? Do you want girl or boy? Girl or boy? Boy? She's not a boy, but okay. Drop her off. So, wait, what's your gender? What's your gender? I forgot he or she is a boy or girl. Guess he or she's not saying it. I think he or she is non-binary. Non-binary, I think it's what it's called. Non-binary. So I think it's a non-binary person. And if you don't know what oh, it's a boy. Oh, okay. Alright. Well, you're all better now. You can play with fidgets, or you can play with these, my squishy little, toys. Look! I know they're for girls, but it can be for everybody. Look! We got squish toys. So, this is available at Walmart and Target. This one's available at Target. This one's available at Walmart. This one's online. So, do you want to buy one? Wait, no, they're free. They're free. Oh, he loves it. Alright, play here. Alright, play here. Can't see it. Oh, there we go. Play here, okay? Oh, she'll be here in a minute. Don't worry, sweetheart. Alright. I'm gonna listen to some fun music. That is kids friendly. I'll listen to it at the end. My favorite song is You Got It by Vito. So I love that song. I'm gonna listen to it after this video. Now it's time for my favorite part, the fun house! Yay! I'm gonna become a kid to do the fun house. So yeah. Alright, so I am now a toddler and I'm kind of thirsty, so I'm at the fun house. So I gotta restart. And there's a lot of bug fixes. So yeah. I gotta restart myself. So I'm going to red scooter. I'm on my red scooter. Wait, no, I got a pink bike. So this is my pink bike. And we're going to the fun house. This is my pool. This is a pool. I love it. So let's get out of this pool for now. And then we'll go to the fun house. We are going to the fun house. Fun house. Fun house. Mommy's baby. Oh, who's that? Mommy's baby. I think that's Mommy's baby. Is she a mommy? I guess. So this is like Sky Zone, and it's like a gymnastics place. It's like Sky Zone and bigger. So fun though. I love it so much. Oh my god. So I'm getting I'm not getting attention though, which is great because I don't like being carried all the time. So they made this playhouse here so that other babies can play after school. So yeah. Oh, I'm okay. I was standing up for my gaming chair. Ooh, the balls. So my gaming chair is pink, which is my favorite color. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end up being a parent now. So yeah. Oh wait, I forgot about this trampoline. Don't forget about the trampoline. Whoa, this is fun. It makes you get up there. That's cool. So I'm gonna jump back. Alright, there we go. I'm out of this fun house. That was fun though. So I'm gonna end up being a parent now. So yeah. So I'm now a caretaker, and I'm letting the babies play with their favorite toys. So yeah, I'm letting the babies play with their toys. So I'm gonna grab the babies. I'm gonna get the babies to play with their toys. So they're gonna play toys. I'm gonna let the babies play with toys. So I gotta bring all the babies to play with the toys. So yeah. And they made a fun house there. So like I said in the video when I was being a toddler, I said that the reason why they added a fun house is that other babies can play after school. So yeah. Wait a minute. Why is she in the vents? Why is she in the vents? Why is this silly baby in the vents? Get out the vents, please. Why is she in the vent? The silly baby's in the vent. Why is that silly baby's in the vent? Why is the silly baby in the vent? Guess I'm not gonna get her because I'm going to play basketball. Oh, okay. I don't know if that's safe for her. I don't know if that's safe for the baby. Because maybe when they're older, they can play basketball. Alright. I'm gonna follow them. I'm gonna follow them to play basketball. So, rooftop is upstairs. Oh, there's the basketball court. Here's, I can shoot a hoop. Oh, I almost got it. This is the roblox thing. I can shoot it. Oh, looks like somebody did a goal. Alright. So, this was a lot of fun. And there's like a little stage over there. So, this is the good sign if they love their talent. And the like sign is the same. It's a fun sign. It's not as fun as real basketball. Yes. Alright. It's my friend Piggy. Oh, cool. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, the music corner. he can't get up there because that's only for little kids. So, yeah. I still can't use those. And this is like a little house. It's for a house. It's a little house for little babies and little kids. So I'm gonna get them play toys. Being a teacher is so easy. I love her school outfit. Her school dress. It's not really a dress though. And I'm gonna buy this is so cute. Stores now. This is so cute. My squishy little. So Peace is now available IRL in Target. I mean at Target. Can't you believe she's adorable? How adorable is she? There's a card there. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys want me to do a roleplay, a doctor roleplay here, give this video a big thumbs up. And I hope you like this video and have yourself a great day. Bye!